Welcome to UNP Learning Platform. In this session of Microsoft Excel, we are going to understand what is pivot table and how to create a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. First of all, let us know what is pivot table. Pivot table is a powerful tool to calculate, summarize, and analyze data that lets you see comparisons, patterns, and trends in the data. Now, let us look at how to create a pivot table. In order to do that, first we need to have the data. In here, I took Superstore data, which have the information related to shipping date, ship mode, segment, category, subcategory, sales, quantity, discount, and profit. In order to create a pivot table, we first need to click on any random cell in the data. So I will click here. Now we need to go to insert option, and to the left side we have option called pivot table. If we click here, there are two options available, from table or range, from external data source. For now, we have the data in the table format, so we will click on this option. A pop-up appears like this. Here, it is asking whether this is the table range of our data or no. So yes, from A1 to 9995, our data is there. So this is only our data source. And now, it is also asking for us to choose whether we want to create a pivot table in this particular existing worksheet or in a new worksheet. For me, I want to create this pivot table in a new worksheet. So I will click on new and click on OK. As you can see here, there is a blank pivot table because we did not insert anything. So it is a blank pivot table created in the new worksheet. So it is created finally. Now let us deep dive into the concept of pivot table. Basically, a pivot table is composed of four areas as you can see here. The areas are filters, columns, rows, and values. First, let us look at rows. The row area stretches across the top of row headings. The row area of a pivot table gives you row-oriented perspective. For example, consider a category into row. So this is the row area of our pivot table, which has the row headings. Now, let us look at the columns. The column area stretches across the top of column headings. The column area of a pivot table gives us the information about column-oriented perspective. Let us say we take segment into columns. So, it is giving the column headings here. Now, we will see the value area. Value area simply calculates and counts the data. Let's say we give sales. So this is what value does. If you can see here, a pivot table is created with rows as categories. We have furniture, office supplies, and technology as a category in our data. We got categories as rows, and the segments, that is corporate, consumer, home office, are the segments of our data. And since we kept it in the columns, we got these as column headings. And values, we want the sales to be shown for both the category and segment. So these are the values that are shown. And in the end, we have grand total. These are the grand total of all the values, and these are the grand total of all the rows. So this is how a pivot table can be created. I hope it's clear. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.